بالنسبة بروباكان جورين ما بروباكان we choose either abdomen general for all of the torso, for example OB, gynae, pelvis, renal, hepatic exam, stomach exam, pancreas, either this one or that one, whichever you prefer. You can also try the rest of them, for example abdomen 1, and we have our freeze. This is the digital print, which is this one, the Sony printer. I've tried it. That's a new paper also. This is the freeze. These are the set buttons. This is the caliber, and this is the measurement. Sorry. For example, measurements. When we press this, for example, we select OB, we switch, and we measure. For example, biparietal. We press set, and we save. And just for example, increase. Okay, this is the image. We press save, freeze, then save, for example. And another one, sorry, I'm using one hand. Color, freeze, save, and we can use, for example, the pulse wave also. We put the arrow on, then we press, for example, auto calculate. Okay, and save. Now we take our normal measurements regarding the OB. We took the BPD, then we took the AC, for example, and the FL. Who gives us the age and expected fetal weight and such, and also the the standard deviation plus minus 118 grams for this case. Then after finishing, we go to report and we press print, but in case we press sorry, not print, we add image, this one add image, and we choose the images, then we choose exit, and when we choose preview or save, print, it will automatically print. Okay, and this is for the usual cases, and also for the 4D printer. Sorry, this is the image that appears. You can include it with your normal reports. You have your measurements and your images, and here I'm going to use the same paper because there is no need to waste. For example, we took a picture with the 4D, which is the 4D OB2. Like so. We press this button 4D, same as your old machine. You just need to lower this green line, so this one, and you press update. You see how it's coming up. Okay, we press, for example, dual, this one. It gives us the x-axis and the y-axis, so the x-axis and the 4D images. We switch, uh, I'm switching right now the PW button, which is written as the Y. You see how it's rotating. We press freeze, and this one should be written as color printer. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, like so. We can from here choose, for example, the iLife, which is change the image. This is also the skeleton mode and surface enhancement. We have these options, for example this one. Okay, we have a lot of options available. This is regarding also on the tools, like so. And when we are done, we just press the color printer. Okay, and it will directly print the image. And this is the silhouetting mode. You can see, so for example routine, so it gives us the internal structures will be available, like so, for example the renal, stomach, and so or the fetal heart within the silhouetted fetus. We can rotate using M, PW, and see it's Z, Y, X. We can print like so, show the patients, and it will gives us an image like this. Everything should be all set. Sorry, also for the linear probe, same procedures. This one's adjusted for both of the breast and thyroid, and you can also, for example, switch to breast mode. Here is your gain, your color, where you switch your color box. Here is the pulse wave. When you press it, you have the auto calculate. If not, we press caliber, and we just select the peak systole and end diastole, which gives us the resistive index. But we also have the auto trace, which is very accurate, and appears like so because there is no appearing wave. And when we are done with each case, preferably we press end and yes, and we'll start all over again with another patient. This is your slide keyboard. This is the handle to elevate and de-escalate the machine, like so. I think you prefer working sitting now, so it's very comfortable. You see how it's almost within my knee level. This is all very simple. I think for today you can manage very well.